family. Paula Arsulacia. Thanksgiving of Brent Joseph Sornosa Ibuyan and family for passing NC Lex exam. Para sa arawan, Mikali Maiden Villanera. For the fast recovery of Emeterio and Shirley Caluya, Nora and Eutapio Esquihardan, Juliana Sofia Melendez, Hector Ernieta. Special intentions, Artemio and Ellen Tripo Lado, Vicente and Rodora Tumbali and family, Clarice Conijares and family, Joel Erika and Jerilyn Tapia, Reynalyn Tube. For the birthday of John Rafael Oliver, Erwin Salduha, Ana Tiope, John Ranel Francisco. For the repose of the souls of Severino and Lucia Rivera, Charles August Ray A. Santos, Tranquilino L. Acebo, Roberta and Eladio Conijares, Gregoria and Inocencio Mirabel, Maria Carmela and Danilo Villano, Florencia and Paquito Pensuelo, Amabel and Ralph Jason Acebo, Amado Acebo and Elizabeth Rowe, Bernardo Lubrera Sr., Hilarion Borines and Julita Pedro, Jerry Sanuban, Restituto and Alejo Miranda, Nathaniel Mercurio, Consolacion Tureso, Mayla Ibarra, Angel Tapia, Donabel Abud, Simeon Villarasa, Eleuterio Pio Jose and Juliana Lamar, Jose and Lorenza Conejos, Catalina Argayoso, Roberto Guerra and Luisa Vlado, Romeo Arandilla